Welcome to our channel 1 2 Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your TDS Telecom account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in TDS Telecom Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results from this. Click on the first link. Then it will take you to this page, and if you don't have an account, you can click on this sign up link to register for a new account. Once you have an account, you can go ahead and enter your username or your email address on this box. And if you don't remember your username, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you have entered your username or your email address, click on the continue button. Then it will prompt you to provide a password. So go ahead and enter your password on this box. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the sign in button, and once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. It is that simple. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.